Hey, hi, and this is Ahmed, and today we will discuss about the how to create the charts in MS Excel. Select the data, go insert tab, and click on recommended charts and choose which chart it is suitable for you. And description will give the more uh, about the graph. Just click on OK. You can move the chart anywhere, and you can resize the chart also. If you want to add the trend line, just click on chart. Under chart design, you can see the add chart elements. Click on that. Just come down and see the trend line. See whichever trend line you require. Just I'm clicking on this.